Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day.
Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be attempting the wet look. I just dyed my hair blonde. I went to Sally's and I bought the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I wanted to get it when it first came out, but I thought you could only get it at Target, and every time I went to Target it was sold out. So here I am months later. I'm going to be trying it. I'm just going to be using my leave-in conditioner, which by Cantu leave-in conditioner. I only used this one time before, so I don't really know. Then I'm also going to be using the Wet Line Gel. I've never used this before, so I really don't know, and I hope this works out. So what I'm going to do is start by parting my hair too. I'm just going to put the leave-in on my hair. So for this look, I've seen some people use like mousse and gel. Some people saw use straight gel. Some people saw use leave-in conditioning gel. I'm gonna be using leave-in conditioning and gel because, like I said, I literally just dyed my hair and I don't want my hair to freaking fall out or something. So I'm just gonna start by parting my hair off in two, like I always do every time. And for real, I should have bought a clip, but I didn't. So, oh well. So this is the gel. Ooh, that don't really smell too good. So I'm just gonna take some, can't really see. It's kind of thick, but yeah. Just wanna take it and rake it through my hair. Make sure I apply it on my roots. Get it through my roots, through my ends. Because we want this bad boy to be laid and sleeve. So yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
So I just now decided that I don't like this, so I'm gonna do a side part.
Perfect. Perfect.
So y'all, this is the look. I would wrap it up and show you how it dries and stuff, but I really hate this on my hair. I hate this, especially because my eyebrows are so dark. But yeah, this is the look. Let me turn around for y'all. But yeah, so I'm not gonna let it dry, only because, like I said, I hate this and I need to get this off my head like Issa. But this is how you would do it. You would wrap it up and stuff like that and let it dry. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't like this video, comment down below what you would like to see next. Make sure you hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.